Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to turn on donations in the Vinted app. But before that, don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment down below, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy. So without further ado, let's just jump right into it. First we have to open up the Vinted app, and here it usually opens up in the home menu, but from the home menu we have to go into the profile menu in the bottom right corner. We tap on it, and here if we scroll down a bit, it's going to be, we find the donations button, and after tapping on it we can continue by tapping on setup recurring donations, and donate a part of our profits to one of these associations, let's say one of these foundations, to help them. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. Hope it was helpful for you guys, and see you in the next one.